Hi, I'm Anupama, National Creative Director Makeup for Lakme Salons, and we get a lot of queries from brides-to-be. Since it's the wedding season and a big one this time, I'm going to answer a couple of your questions here today. To make sure that you have the perfect base, try it on your forehead. Draw a straight line and then try blending it in. If it looks like your skin color, then you've got your right base. To get the perfect contour, use a shade that's 3 to 4 shades darker than your base and blend it really well. So blending is what is going to create that magic and the perfect contour look. Contouring will make all the difference. If you haven't contoured it well, then obviously the lines are going to show and they're going to look very tacky. Whatever your skin tone may be, try a bit of the base on your forehead or on your jawline. If it blends into your skin, you've got it right. The best look for a day wedding is subtle, muted, keep your skin very natural, very neutral, go in for soft shades of pink or peach, keep your blush very peachy, very natural, and of course a soft lip color always works. For a night wedding, you can go as loud as you want to go. You can go for smoky eyes, you can go for dark eyes, you can go for bright lips, you can do a lot of highlighting, a lot of contouring, and it all blends really well. So if you have a night wedding, just go all out. Pick up your favorite look and ask your makeup artist to do it for you. If these tips worked for you, then do tell us by writing into the comment section below, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel Be Beautiful.